Tuthill Porsche, a UK-based company renowned for its rally and restoration expertise, has just unveiled its latest creation, the GT1. This remarkable vehicle is a tribute to the legendary Porsche 911 GT1 race car from the late 1990s. The GT1 boasts over 600 horsepower and weighs in at just 2,645 pounds, making it a true performance machine. Production will be limited to only 22 units, ensuring its exclusivity. While Tuthill Porsche has not disclosed the exact platform on which the GT1 is based, the car's mid-engine layout and unique rear design suggest it is not your typical 911. The vehicle is available with two engine options: a high-revving 500 horsepower, naturally aspirated 4-liter flat 6, or a more powerful 600-plus horsepower flat 6 with forced induction, likely turbocharged. The GT1 features custom double wishbone suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and a full FIA spec roll cage. The bodywork, crafted entirely from carbon fiber, was designed by Florian Flatow, known for his work with Singer. Although pricing has not been revealed, this bespoke creation is sure to carry a significant price tag. For those seeking a standout vehicle among Porsche Restomods, the Tuthill Porsche GT1 offers an unparalleled blend of heritage and innovation.